and welcome to 2021. This is a big deal, okay? So, hopefully, we're past a lot of the craziness of 2020, and 2021, hopefully, in some ways, will be a lot better of a year, although, who knows? We're still kind of, trying to figure out the new normal. What does that look like, and everything like that. So, this year I have come up with a word that, regardless of what 2021 means, as far as being able to travel, get together with friends, outings, vacations, that something it's something I can focus on, that I can accomplish. So I have lots of goals for 2021, but I'm keeping a lot of these goals close to home because for 2021 for 2020 there were a lot of things that did not quite work out the way I wanted them to. There were vacations, weddings, everything was postponed or delayed or modified or canceled, and I experienced a lot of loss close to home, and even some relatives of mine that I was close to passed away. So it has been a hard year, 2020 was, and but on the plus side, a lot of good happened too, and I'm focusing on that as I'm wrapping up everything in 2020. I'm ending on a positive note, and we're jumping right into 2021, and so here I am. So happy New Year, everyone. So here's where I came up with my word for 2021 that I'm using for myself, and maybe some of you also feel the same. And just one other note right before I tell you, last year I had a lot of big goals on my vision board for 2020. It was going to be a great year, a rock star year. Things were going to go my way, and it was interesting because as I was praying about these things on my vision board, I just kept feeling like God was saying, "No, no, that's not going to happen. No, sorry, that's not going to happen." And I was wondering, did I do something wrong? Like, did I fall out of favor with God? Like, what's going on? And it didn't take long to find out why God had said, sorry, those probably aren't going to happen, because 2020 was a totally unexpected turn of events. So this year I'm keeping things a little bit more in my arena, not dependent on other people and economies and situations. But here is my thought. So as I was thinking about what I wanted my word to be, my power word for 2021, I was thinking, and while I was meditating and studying scriptures, I was thinking, okay, what do I want to create that is, regardless of anybody else, something I can create in my life? And I was thinking, trust in God would be a good one because I need that more. When I can't trust anything else, I can trust Him, and that's such a great sense of hope. And anyways, the thought came to my mind as I was reading, and just today I read in Genesis, I think around chapter 16 or something, where God is talking to Abraham, and He says that you're going to be the father of, you're going to have posterity that measures, to infinity, the sands of the sea. And here Abraham had no children, but he believed. So even though it was impossible, he was like 99 years old, he believed that God could provide an heir from him. And he believed it, and that counted to him for righteousness. So he was blessed for just believing. Okay? And on another note, as I was pondering this year, another thing that came to my mind, and this is just for me, I'm not saying this has to be your inspiration for this year too, but this is what came to me. So this message came to my mind that said, what would you have faith to do if you knew Jesus was coming, if He was already here, or if He was coming very, very soon? What would you have the faith to do that you don't now? And I was like, whoa, wait, what? Does this mean He's coming like really soon? No, I'm not claiming that's what it meant. But what I think God was trying to tell me was, you need to boost your faith game. 2020 was rough. We required a lot of faith and trust in God. But this year, it's going to be another big faith year. And so this power word for me for this year is faith. And whatever that means, putting my faith in God, regardless of what's happening, whatever is going on, that's my power word. And that's been crossing my mind over and over again. What would I have the faith to do now if I knew Jesus was already here or if he was coming very, very soon? So I just want to leave you with that. It's going to be a great year, a powerful year. There are going to be miracles that happen this year. There's going to be such amazing things, but keep in mind, as we get closer to when Jesus does come, things are not always going to get prettier. And that's another way we need to have faith. So we need to have faith that good is going to come and see that, but also have faith that despite the obstacles that are going to come in 2021, that we have the faith to push through them, to trust in God, that he is in charge. And so that's what I wanted to share with you. And welcome to 2021, new level. Let's do this. Let's rock this. Let's get healthier. Let's take better care of ourselves. Let's be happier. Let's make plans, not let other things get in the way of our plans. Let's navigate through these big obstacles and do our best. And let God take care of all the rest. Thanks for watching.